friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Sheryl with iSTYLEMYSTYLE, and today's video is part of a collaboration that is being hosted by the Domestic Diva, and it is the Halloween Pinterest inspired DIY. So I showed you guys a sneak peek of what I was thinking of for this coming Halloween. I love to decorate in themes. Last year my theme was witches, and it was the Wicked Manor. And if you missed that video, I will put a link in the description box below as well as in the iCards above if you are interested in checking that out. And this year's theme was dragons, and it was the Dragon's Queen's Lair. And as such, I wanted to create a spooky yet elegant dining atmosphere. So I was inspired by this photo that I saw on Pinterest, and I will put up a photo here for you to check it out. And I thought it would be the perfect thing to recreate for my Dragon Queen's Lair home tour. So those were made out of metal, and so I got creative and I went to the Dollar Tree and picked up these plastic chains that they have every year. And what I did is just take them one by one and snap them on to my existing chandelier. So they look like this. And I just cut them in half, and as you can see, they have this little opening here, and all I did was take them and just press it down on my chandelier just like so, and just have them hang. So I picked up probably about 30 of these, which is a little expensive, but again, I can use them in several different ways. Last year I used these on my mantle, and so I had some of those already, and I just needed a little more to fill out the chandelier so I could get the same look as the chandelier that I saw on Pinterest that inspired me to create this chandelier. So I absolutely love it. I think it looks very similar to the Pinterest inspired piece, and I love how it came out, and I hope you agree. I also was inspired to create my Dragon Queen's tablescape. This is a piece that I picked up from the Goodwill. It was $3.99, and I already had the candlesticks and everything else, so I just put this tablescape together, and I think it looks so perfect with the chandelier. Absolutely love it. So I want to thank the Domestic Diva for hosting this collaboration. It was so much fun, as usual, to participate. If you like what you see and you are new here, my name is Sheryl. I love all things home decor. I love decorating my home with style, on a budget, and trying to make it look a lot more expensive than it really is. So if that is something you're into as well, please make sure you hit the subscribe button, tap the notification bell, and become a member of the iSTYLEMYSTYLE family. I will leave a link below for the Domestic Divas channel, as well as a link of the playlist of all the participants. I do have a Halloween home tour up on my channel this year. I will leave a link for it down below, as well as a link for my spooky home tour, which is the Dragon Queen's Lair. I think you might really enjoy it. So that is all I have for you today, my friends. I hope you have an awesome day, and I hope to see you in the next one.